Ooh. Ooh. My head. Yeah. Looking through this glass, first class seat through the night, miles rolling under me, fading out of sight. The engine hums its story, the road belongs to me. No one else around here, just asphalt, sky and speed. Time keeps running shorter, so much left undone. When I'm through with this life, I pray I hear well done. These miles, these days, let them not be for nothing. Lord, guide my way, turn my wandering into something. Your grace is all I'm needing, your mercy makes me new. If you let me in your presence, I'll be whole in you. That fills the cabin, the power pulling me on, feels like a moving sermon on the path I'm passing through. The miles I leave behind me will live in memory, but I'm chasing down a future where your reward waits for me. Your patience when I stumble, your forgiveness when I fall. Lord, I'm still becoming who you've wanted all along. These miles, these days, let them not be for nothing. Lord, guide my ways, turn my wandering into something. Your grace is all I'm needing, your mercy makes me new. If you let me in your presence, I'll be whole in you. Every mile of every hour, every long and lonely night, teach me what they're for, Lord, help me see them in your light. When the answers finally find me and the story all makes sense, let my life be proof of mercy, not a tale of accidents. Let them not be for nothing. Lord, guide my ways, turn my wandering into something. Your grace is all I'm needing, your mercy makes me new. If you let me in your presence, I'll be whole in you.